Hi everyone, welcome to the Hesaya YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for our latest product, which is the Hesaya HBuds ANC. These are true wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation. Now I'm just going to pick up the package and show you some of the USPs. So you've obviously got up to 25 decibels of active noise cancellation. You've got HD audio with powerful bass. Next, you've got up to 5 hours of music and talk time per charge, plus 3 further charges from the charging case. That gives you a total of 20 hours. And of course, smart touch controls. You've also got 3 listening modes for the noise cancellation. You've got regular mode, which is the default mode, with no active noise cancellation engaged. Then of course, you've got ANC mode, which reduces the background noise by 25 decibels. And then transparency mode. Now transparency mode is the opposite of ANC. What transparency mode does is it uses the external mic to allow additional noise, background noise in. Now the reason for this is useful if you're in an urban environment, maybe near traffic, and you need to be aware of safety hazards, maybe traffic, other people, etc. Or you could be in an office environment listening to your music, but you want to be able to hear if some of your colleagues are calling your name. So you would have the transparency mode on, which would allow you to listen to music, but also be aware of your surroundings. On the inside, there's some further information just explaining the ANC and how that works in 3 different modes. You've got specifications here, full specifications, and then you've also got the product inside the cradle. What's included? You've got the HBuds ANC, two earbuds, charging case, spare ear tips. You've got medium, which is fitted, plus 2 spare sets, small and large. And then you've got a Type-C charging cable and a user manual. Just to mention the warranty is 24 months from the date of purchase, which is double the industry standard of 1 year. On the back side, just another picture of the buds showing you it's an in-ear design, which is giving you some passive noise cancellation and better sound as well. It's more noise isolating. And then you've got a bit more information about the buds. So let's open them up. So in terms of the packaging contents inside, just start with the user manual. You've got a very detailed user manual in both English and also Arabic on the other side. It covers everything from how to pair it, how to charge it, plus care and maintenance, all of those different things. So really, really comprehensive. You got the charging cradle, which obviously contains the buds inside. You can see they're charging now. It's quite a nice, decent size, fits in the palm of your hand. On the underside, you've got a USB Type-C charging slot. On the back side, you've got a button, which I believe is to show the battery. And I believe, depending on the color, depends on how much it will determine how much charge you've got. Inside, you've got the buds. This is how they're positioned. Very easy to remove. And you'll see there's a nice flat touch control, quite a small stem, so it doesn't stick out too much. And then it's an in-ear design, very ergonomic, fits nicely in your ear. And you've got the silver kind of detail on the tips as well. Last but not least, you've got the USB to Type-C charging cable, and also the spare tips are inside this pouch here. So before you start using your Hesaya HBuds ANC, we recommend you give them a good full charge, maybe a couple of hours using the supplied cable. And that will give the maybe 2 to 3 hours. That will charge up the case as well as the buds inside the case. Once they're fully charged, then the next process is to pair them. So what you need to do, and this is what I would always recommend, is you take the buds out of the cradle, and before you actually start searching for them, just keep them together just for a few moments. That allows the left and the right bud to connect together before you start the pairing process. Once the left and the right earbud have successfully connected together in stereo, just go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and scan or search for devices. You'll see Hazaya HBuds ANC pop up. Select that and then just accept the pairing request. And you will see your HBuds ANC connected to your phone.